and welcome to my channel. My name's Nicole and here on We Mama I do lots of motherhood, lifestyle, cleaning and organisational videos. So if you like that kind of content I would love it if you could stick around and subscribe. As you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be a home bargains haul. So I've just picked up some Halloween bits and bobs. Most of these bits were even under £1. It's not a lot, as this year we're not actually doing much for Halloween. My little boy is only 1 year old, he'll be 2 in January, so we wouldn't have been knocking on people's doors anyway. Obviously that's not really going to be happening in the current situation with COVID, but as it's probably going to be just me and my little boy, we don't really live near any family members. Depending on the lockdown situation, we probably won't be having a party either. But I thought that wasn't going to stop me from just explaining and having a little Halloween party with just me and my little boy. So I just wanted to pick up some little bits and pieces and to just add to my Halloween decoration collection. Like I said, these are all cheap and cheerful. So yeah, I thought I would just pick up some few odds and ends just to make the house a little bit spooky, just to get him used to the idea of what Halloween is. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first up was this spooky spider web. At the moment my little boy is obsessed with spiders, so I've hung this up in the hallway. I've just hung it off a picture frame and he's obsessed with it. Whenever he walks past it he's like, spider. These came in lots of different colours, but I thought the black one was just a bit more chic, and it's just all tacky plastic, but you know, he loves it. Oh man, I've lost the receipt. Okay, so I have lost the receipt, but I do know that this was just under £1, probably like 97p, 87p, something like that. So yeah, a nice little bit of spooky decoration for under £1 there. Next up was another hanging decoration. It was this massive pumpkin. I thought this was really cute. Of course, I don't want anything to be too scary at the moment because he is only 1. So these kind of decorations are perfect for him at the moment. I also thought this would be a cute decoration for the front door. I know with COVID, lots of people aren't going to be doing trick-or-treating this year, but I've seen on Facebook that lots of local people are going to be taking part in a pumpkin hunt. So instead of knocking on people's doors for sweets, they're just going to go for a walk with their families and go looking for pumpkins. So I think I'm probably going to do that as well. So I've already got some pumpkins outside my front door because it's just got the little hanger there. I've got a hook on my front door for my Christmas wreaths. So I'm gonna add this, and I thought this was really cute. Ooh yeah, so another one I've got, another hanging decoration, is this little spooky skeleton. Again, I think this was under £1. Maybe it was £1.50 or £2, I can't remember. I'm really annoyed that I've lost the receipt. But again, it's under £5, so that's good. I actually really want to go back and get a few of these because I thought this would be a really cool garland if you get, you know, a big bit of twine, string, whatever, and hang a few of these. This would make a really cool like garland decoration, like above a fireplace or something. Or, you know, they just look cool on their own really. Bit spooky, not too scary for my 1 year old. I don't think he's really seen this yet, so it might be a bit too scary for him. I've not really seen his reaction yet. Man, bent it. So another one, I think this again was under £1. This is a 3-metre pumpkin bunting. Now, I know that this is probably a DIY, you could do this yourself, but I have a newborn baby and a 1 year old. I'm exhausted, so I do not have time to sit there cutting out about 50 pumpkins. For under £1, it's cheap, you know, it's cheap enough to just pick it up really instead of spending all that time doing it yourself. And yeah, of course it already comes with string, so I'm gonna hang this in my hallway, and he's gonna love this because my little boy is obsessed with pumpkins at the moment, as am I, a little bit. Oh, I love these. So these are, oh, you can't see them. These are a little bag of eyeballs, little plastic ones, basically like little ping pong balls with eyeballs on. Again, I think these were probably about 60p, something like that. How many's in there? There's 9. With these, I'm going to do some Halloween kind of themed things with my little boy. I'm going to put these in jelly to make slime, and then you can just mash it up, and then it doesn't really matter if he eats the jelly because obviously it's edible. So really excited to use those. If you're not that fussy about putting them in food and things like that, you could also put this in a punch bowl. These would be really cool. So I think these were £1, maybe less than that. Again, I'm really sorry that I can't remember. But candlesticks. So I picked up one and then I was like, I can't just have one candlestick. So I got 2. So I thought these would be really cute to sit on like a table. And then, well, I've not even turned them on yet. And they already come with batteries and everything. I think they're really cool. So, I'm getting so excited. So even with like a little decoration, I mean, you know, It's not amazing. Yeah, I thought they were really cool, so I actually might go back and get a few more of those and line them up on a table, you know, with the food buffet. I'm excited for those, they're cool. Another thing I thought my little boy would absolutely love is this torch. So this doesn't come with batteries, I need to put batteries in it, but it's a projection torch. So you literally obviously put these little discs on top of the torch and then shine it at the wall, and obviously it comes up with all these little patterns. As I said, my little boy Didier, he is 1 year old and he will love this, so I can't wait to show him this. Again, under £1, I think this was around 67p. I love these. This is a pumpkin carving kit. It comes with a scoop, a little knife, and like pokey thing. That's supposed to help you like mark the pumpkin, I think. But these are so handy, especially for little kids. I mean, it says they're for adults only because that is a serrated knife, so you do need to be careful. I haven't used this with my little boy yet, obviously. I think if I sit with him, I will actually let him use that because it is a little bit of a small knife, and from overseeing him, he can use it. I'm actually trained in Montessori learning, so it's all about risk taking. So even though this is quite sharp, it is taking a risk. So I will be letting him use that with supervision. But we've got another pumpkin here. Ooh, this one, and I'm going to do another little activity with him, like a sensory one. So we're going to carve the pumpkin, like de-seed it, and have the pumpkin and some slime as well. I will actually use the cornstarch for that one, I think. For £1, you can't go wrong with that. Ooh, spiders. So here I've got lots of tiny, tiny little spiders. Again, I think this was around 50p. I'm going to be using these for the sensory jelly and the slime, things like that. Like I said before, he's obsessed with spiders. I'm also going to use this with this. So this is a big bag of web and spiders. So of course it's like the webbing, so I'm going to like dangle it. Ooh, I'm going to dangle it all over this thing here, which is like my sideboard with the mirror on, over the windows, and obviously add the spiders. I'm going to absolutely love these. Yeah, I'm going to add these again to some more sensory play. Then I picked up a packet of these little lights. I've already carved our pumpkins and they're outside our front door, so I've already opened these. But these came in a pack of about 10, I think. And they're just little lights. Again, under £1. Just a child-friendly way of lighting your pumpkin. I picked up these for me. It's just a little packet of face gems, again, under £1. I've decided that Didier is going to dress up as Coco this year. I wanted to do something quite different and original, but after looking on Pinterest, I think lots of people have done this, but I've got a little red jacket for him and a ukulele, and I'm just going to paint his face and go as the little boy Miguel from Coco, the Disney film. Obviously, as it's all like Day of the Dead, one of my favourite kind of Halloween looks. I just thought that this would be a nice little addition once I've painted my face. So obviously, again, it's not too scary for him, and I think he actually will enjoy all the sparkly teeth. So I'm actually excited to use that. And next up, I also have a little bag of Googly Eyes. So that reminds me of a scene from Monsters Inc. where she's like, Googly bear. No, just me. So yeah, these are all different sizes from the craft section, home bargains. We've got tiny, tiny, tiny little Googly Eyes, medium sized, and some biggish. And again, I'm going to put these in slime, and you can make lots of different things with these. Put them in the jelly. Of course, it's a little bit spooky. And last but not least, this isn't so much a Halloween item, but I thought I would just include them. I picked up these packs of blank cards and envelopes. So, to make it a bit personal, whenever we send birthday cards, we always get him to create his own cards. So I picked up, this is a 10 pack, so I picked up 2 of these. We usually get like a hand stamp and just send them out to family members. So I'm going to be using these for Christmas cards, but I also thought I would include these because obviously, even though you don't really send cards for Halloween, as some parts of the nation are in lockdown, this just might be a cute little way to make some Halloween pictures. Like I've seen on Pinterest, people have done like a footprint mummy or handprint ghosts, things like that. So I just thought that these were a cute little idea. That's the end of my haul. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I would really appreciate it if you could give this video a like and leave any comments down below. I hope this maybe helped you in some kind of way. If you're planning little parties, if you like home bargains, be sure to check everything out. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.